Hi, good evening, Professor Paim. So today I'm going to explain A0702 overlapping ellipse using Python. So for this, I have written one point method. So first import, I want to import the necessary modules. Those are like random and import math as well. So apart from this, I have written one point method. So this class represents a point in 2D space with x and y coordinates. And after that, I have written ellipse method. So ellipse function. So this class represents an ellipse using 2 points on the width of the long axis. And another one method is like compute like a point in ellipse. So this function checks if a given point is inside the ellipse by calculating the sum of distances from the point to the two focal points. And the same like it was comparing it with the width of the ellipse. So we have to store in distance one variable and distance two variable, then it returns the distance plus distance two greater than or equal to eclipse dot width. So we want to store these variables. After that, I have written another function is like compute overlap of ellipse. So this one we are passing variables like ellipse one, ellipse two, and the number of samples equal to 10,000. So this function estimates the overlap area between the two ellipses using a Monte Carlo method. It generates random points within the bounding box of the first ellipse and checks if each point fails within both ellipses. Then it calculates the ratio of the number of points inside both ellipses to the total number of points generated and multiplies it by the area of the first ellipse to estimate the overlap area. And apart from this, I have written another two examples. These are all our compute overlap of ellipse. This part of code demonstrates how to use the define classes and functions. It creates two ellipses, E1 and E2, and it calculates the overlap area between them. Finally, it prints the output result. So now I'm going to run the program. So it generates the area of overlap is 4.215. Again, if I run this program, so it's generated 4.214. Again, if I'm running the this program, it generates 4.2.2. So every time if I'm hitting and run this program, it is generated one random number the for particular area of overlap. So for this program, we have used import necessary modules, define the point class, define the ellipse class, define the function, and define the point in ellipse function. And another function is like define the computer overlap of ellipse function. Thank you, Mr. Point.